Hi, my name is Kendall Boone. I'm going to be your student teacher today for Astronomy 101. Today we're going to be learning about the Hubble telescope. First order of business will be the history of the Hubble telescope. It is named after the famous astronomer Edwin P. Hubble, who died in 1953, trailblazer. And the Hubble telescope is a large space-based observatory, which means it is out in outer space. It's not actually on the ground. And has revolutionized astronomy by providing a deep, clear view of the universe for everybody today. Its first launch was on April 24th, 1990.
Right. Okay, the first successful launch was April 24th, 1990. Before that, there was one January 28th, 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger. That space shuttle exploded just over a minute into its flight. Shuttle flight ceased for 2 years. The remaining parts that they could salvage from the explosion were moved into storage. During the delay, the Hubble workers continued to tweak the telescope, improving the solar batteries and upgraded other systems. Go.
The next mission on December 2nd, 1993 was the Space Shuttle Endeavour, which carried a crew of 7 members into orbit for a mission that would include 5 days of spacewalks and repairs in the Hubble telescope. NASA released the first new images from the Hubble's fixed optics on January 13th, 1994. The pictures were beautiful with excellent resolution, different from the initial ones because of the spherical aberration. Mission 4 took place in May of 2009. Astronauts upgraded the telescope with a wide field camera 3 and the Cosmic Origins spacecraft and repaired the advanced camera for the surveys and space telescope imaging spectrograph.
The Hubble telescope is located about 375 miles above the surface of the Earth. It has been operating for 18 years and has an angular resolution of about 0.05 arcseconds for visible light, which would allow you to read a book from a distance of almost 1 kilometer. Each time astronauts performed a servicing mission, they also performed routine repair work, fixing solar panels and thermal blankets and upgrading equipment. The Hubble played a key role in the discovery of dark energy, a mysterious force that causes the expansion of the universe to accelerate.
The Hubble telescope at its launch in 1990 was an estimated $1.5 billion project that was put into outer space. It orbits the Earth at the same rotation the Earth spins. Hubble is merely the size of a large school bus, but it can fit inside the cargo bay of a shuttle, which is how it was launched in the outer space in the Discovery in 1990. Hubble is one of the NASA's most successful and long-lasting science missions, and it has beamed hundreds of thousands of images back to Earth, shedding light on many of the great mysteries of our astronomy. Alright, the Hubble telescope is called a Cassegrain telescope, meaning that once light from the sun usually hits a primary mirror, it then bounces off the primary mirror and hits a secondary mirror, in which that secondary mirror focuses the light back towards the primary mirror into a small opening that leads to all the scientific instruments of the Hubble telescope. The Hubble telescope's instruments work together and individually to provide a different view of the universe through the pictures that it sends back to Earth.